Hello viewers, I am Mohammad Malhotra, an associate dialysis. Today I would be talking about the landmark judgment of PGA Tour International Company versus Martin 2001, which was a notable Supreme Court case that dealt with the issue of reasonable accommodation for individuals with disabilities under Americans with Disability Act. The case involved Casey Martin, a professional golfer with a disability called Klippel-Trenaunay-Weber syndrome, which limited his ability to walk a long distance without assistance. Martin requested the use of golf cart as an accommodation under ADA during the PGA Tour events, as walking the course would cause him significant pain and fatigue. The PGA Tour, the organization responsible for administering the professional golf tournament, refused Martin's request, arguing that walking the course was an essential aspect of the game. The case centered on whether allowing Martin to use the golf cart constituted a reasonable accommodation under the ADA or if it fundamentally altered the nature of the competition. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of Casey Martin, stating that the ADA required the PGA Tour to allow him to use a golf cart as a reasonable accommodation. The court held the use of a golf cart did not fundamentally alter the nature of the game of the golf, as it did not provide Martin with a competitive advantage over the other players. The ruling recognized the reasonable accommodation should be provided to enable the individual with disabilities to participate in professional sports as long as they do not fundamentally alter the essence of the competition. The decision established a precedent that professional sports organization as public accommodation must have reasonable modification to their policies and practices to ensure equal participation for individuals with disabilities. The case highlighted the importance of considering individualized accommodation and avoiding blanket policies that may exclude individuals with disabilities from participating in certain activities. The case had broader implications beyond golf, influencing the understanding and application of reasonable accommodations in other sports and recreational activities. So here viewers, I'll end up this video, and if any one of you have any doubt regarding the same, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.